This is a magneto valve for to measure pressures, probably for a turbo. Yep. Nice. Looks pretty nice. Looks like I'm gonna have to disconnect this bad boy, this tube. Yep. This is also clipped in, so it seems. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Just pull it a bit so the tabs loosen. Up. Pull it up and pull it out. There we go. More piece of plastic. Nothing broken. Nice. Disconnect the air hose right here. Looks like a 7mm. Just to make life easier, we could already pull this up. Yep. Pull the connector out. There we go. Loosen this a bit up, and there we have it. Little clips holding it in here, and normally these ones are tight. You have to press down a bit, just with your fingernail. Yep. And they break free. So now we have easy access to this bad boy, and the heat shields. It will you didn't need to take the bolts off. It's loose, connected to the filter housing. So yeah, we'll put them back in later. So number 7mm. There we go. Extension. Yep. Yeah, just loose enough. Take the hose off, and this one, the cables for the connectors can come off too. This looks like a temperature sensor, perhaps. Don't know. So it's same line, so it has to come off. So we're gonna check this out, what it is. Use my Chinese tool to take a look. Seems to come out. Yeah. Let's check it out. Yep. It's just an old seal there. And bam. Shove it back. And there we have a difficult connector. So yeah, you need to take off the upper part of the air filter housing, and then we can disconnect this bad boy, or with maybe with a screwdriver. I can cheat a little bit, maybe. It looked like, yeah, I'm cheating. Ooh, I'm cheating. And there we have it. Yep. Nice. Yep. Okay. Oh, this is the air mass meter. This is the air mass meter, and the other one, Hitachi. Have to look it up. The note. There could be two. It could be. So the tube comes off. The connectors go over here. Then the housing is practically free, and it seems like this number 10 millimeter here have to come off. And yep. Milwaukee time. Bam. Another bolts to remember. Yep. Looks pretty loose to me. Looks like it can pass. And yep, just held in with a little tap in the bottom. So the tube seems to be in the way, blocking our exit here. I could take this off and the tube can slide right over here. Now we don't break nothing. This seems to come off too. Okay, I'm gonna take out these guys. If you ever doubt moving something that can break, just take the effort to remove a little bit extra. Sometimes you need to move a lot for nothing. But yeah, of course, never lose your patience. If you do, back off, go for a walk. Come back and everything will be normal, perfectly normal. Everything will point itself out. So here we have this is fixed with a clips. I see seems to be blocking. Oh no, it will work. It will work. Yep. There's also a fix for there. But I think we can take out the housing. So let me see. Looks like the heat shield is blocking the way. And we could take